What is up guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix CapCut template not showing on your CapCut app. Now what you want to do guys, as you can see here guys, I had this problem, so this is exactly how I fixed it. As you can see here now I have templates, as you can see. Now if you want to fix this problem guys, you can do the same process on Android phones and iPhone phones. Let's start with iPhone phones and then I'm going to be showing you how to fix this on Android phone. Now if you have iPhone guys, all you have to do is click on settings and then go to general, and after you click on general, click on language and region, as you can see. Now after that guys, in the top it says their iPhone language, click it. Now you want to select your language. After you select your language, you want to scroll down a little bit and click on region. Make sure you select your region. If you live in United States, you want to select United States. Now after that guys, you want to click on here, general, and then after that you want to click on VPN and device management, as you can see here, VPN and device management. Now after that guys, you want to click on VPN, as you can see here, click on add VPN configuration. After that guys, you want to click on manual at the very bottom and then click off. Just keep clicking manual, off, manual, off, manual, off, like 3 times or 4 times. Now after that guys, after it's on off, make sure it's in off and then click done in the top right and then click OK and see if the problem is resolved or not. Now if still this problem is not if you still have this problem, go to general and then click on iPhone storage. After you click guys on iPhone storage, you want to search for CapCut. Now click on upload app here. After you click on upload app, wait a few seconds and it will say the reinstall app. Click on reinstall app and wait for it a few seconds and the problem will be resolved. Now if you are using guys Android, very easy process guys, it won't take you any time. Just click in the search bar of your settings, click on settings and search in the top CapCut. After that, just click on CapCut and make sure you clear the cache, okay? It will say there at the bottom right, it will say there clear cache. You want to clear cache and then open and then close the app and open it again, the problem will be solved. That's exactly guys what you want to do. Hopefully this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. If it doesn't work, let me know in the comment. I reply to every single comment.